How to make French toast. You'll need milk, bread, butter, eggs, cinnamon sugar, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and strawberries. Place the following into a large mixing bowl. 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Thoroughly mix together. Place down the skillet. Turn on medium heat. Add butter. Wait for the butter to melt. Take a slice of bread and dunk it into the egg mixture. Now take the bread and carefully place it onto the hot skillet. I said carefully. Let's try that again. Take a slice of bread and dunk it into the egg mixture. Carefully place it onto the hot skillet. That's too hot. Dunk the bread carefully. Don't do it. Dunk the bread carefully. Stop. Dunk the bread carefully. Stop it. Dunk the bread carefully. Stop it. Dunk the bread carefully. Please stop. Dunk the bread carefully. Place it. Please dunk the bread. I'm so sick of this. Dunk the bread. Dunk the bread. Dunk. 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 If you do it again, I quit. Take a slice of bread and dunk it into the egg mixture. Now take the bread and carefully place it onto the hot skillet. For fun, pizza.
Add butter. Wait for the butter to melt. Take a slice of bread and dunk it into the egg mixture. Now take the bread and roll as hard as you can onto the hot skillet. Is that correct? How you doing? Now that we have finished adding the egg, now that we have finished it, please, no more. We pour another egg, I think. Now that we have finished adding the egg mixture.
Remove some heat, put on the color. Add water. And make a flip. Keep the coffee cheap Monsieur de Montagny Henry. Perfect service is yours.